A group of Avondale moms will gather to fight for health insurance for their children. More than 432,000 kids across the tri-state, the 3 states here, rely on the CHIP program for health insurance. But that money's about to run out. 9 on your side's Allie Kramer joins us live now. And Allie, first let's explain to people what the CHIP program is, who it helps.
Good morning, Catherine. The CHIP program is so vital to so many kids, 225,000 kids right here in Ohio, and a lot of those kids are at Cincinnati Children's Hospital Medical Center. Here's the deal. CHIP is an insurance program for children whose parents, they make enough money that they're not at that Medicaid line, but they also don't make enough money that they can afford their own health insurance. So it's providing insurance for kids that are right here in that gap that still need that health care.
The time is now for us to renew the CHIP program. Children across our state are running the risk of losing their health care insurance within several weeks, and there is really no room for error.
Dr. Bignall treats kids with kidney disease at Children's Hospital Medical Center, and he says that they use the CHIP program to treat some of the highest risk patients. Now, funding for the program ran out last year, and it must be reauthorized to keep the money flowing.
If the CHIP program funding is lost, it will have devastating consequences to the way that health care is covered here for kids, not only in the state of Ohio, but across the country. I don't even want to think about what kind of a conversation I would have to have with a parent who loses coverage for their child because our elected officials in Congress don't have the will or the desire to help them in a way that only they can.
So here's what's happening today. Mothers, doctors, they're going to gather in Avondale, and they're going to be baking chocolate chip cookies and delivering them to our senators here to keep the conversation going, to put the pressure on that they want to vote on this. They want to reauthorize that funding for the next 5 years. So we checked with our senators here in Ohio. Sherrod Brown, he actually joined a bipartisan group in support of extending that program for another 5 years. That was late last year, and also late last year, Senator Rob Portman, he actually joined, he serves actually on the Senate Finance Committee, and they voted unanimously in favor of extending that program as well. So we have the support here in Ohio. It's just reigniting that conversation back in Washington. Reporting live this morning, Allie Kramer, 9 on your side.